Hey, what's up, guys? This is Miguel with Miguel's View, and today we're going to be going over some crypto plays and see what's going on in the crypto land. All right, so let's go ahead and start with Dodge here. Dodge had a good run up to 45 cents, and as you can see, tried to. Let me go ahead and switch to that screen real quick. All right. Uh, let me switch to this really quick. Um, how do I do this? people might panic, and you know, they might sell, and then we'll see the sell off begin because of the, you know, it broke support. So as long as it holds that support, I think we're still good. Um, and so just pay attention to that MACD on the daily, like I was showing you. And if it crosses, uh, you know, just pay attention to the price action, because uh, traders might get a bit scared there uh, on this MACD. Okay, it looks like we're forming a doji candle here on the daily, so pay attention to that and see what direction um, it goes. Okay. Uh, if you have any questions, go ahead and just comment below, and I'll answer your questions. Um, Give me 1 second. Let me make sure that um, we're getting some audio in this area. Yeah, we are getting audio. All right. So again, uh, I'm new to this live stream thing. I'm not new to trading. I just want to do this so I can help out some people. Um, most of the day I sit here trading. I don't talk to anybody, and so uh, I just want to help out and contribute to the community of traders. So uh, let's go to this chart. Okay, I want it the other way. There we go. So a little confusing to use this, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. Let's go to the next one. We're gonna go to is ADA Cardano. Okay, and let's start with the daily. Okay, so let's do some technicals here. And as you can see here, the RSI was in a downtrend for most of February, March, April. Okay, it was on a downtrend, while this was on an uptrend. Well, I guess we could put it there. All right, so this is what we have in Cardano on the daily. Let's draw some support lines on this area. And as you can see here, Cardano triple top around this area, about around the 150th, could not break it. Then it broke this trend line right here that it had going on. We could also draw another trend line here in this area that it kept bouncing. So a lot of times when we break trend lines, is we come back and we test that trend line, and then we continue on a downtrend. So right now, MACD, and this is what I'm talking about. Remember, I told you in Doge that when MACD crosses, uh, a lot of traders trade MACD. So when they see that, they're gonna panic and they're gonna start selling. It could cause a sell-off. So that's what happened here in Cardano. You see it here as well. It crossed, all right, and then we had a downtrend for a quite a bit until um, this day on March 16th here. So you gotta watch out with that MACD. You gotta be um, alert. A lot of MACD traders um, are gonna panic and sell. So you have to be careful. That's the only reason that I use the MACD to kind of, you know, a lot of times I'm already in the trade or I'm already out the trade on stocks or whatever. But I like the MACD because if I'm in a play and the MACD is about to cross over, for example, if I'm here and I see the MACD crossing over, I know that that momentum is going to come in of MACD traders. The MACD traders are going to start buying, and so that's something to always keep in mind. Let's go to the hourly on Cardano. Guys, again, this is a brand new channel, so if if you like what I'm saying, if you could find something useful from this, can you do me a favor, subscribe and like that button? It would really help me out, and I'll continue to do this every day until um, you know, we all make lots of money. So let's go to the hourly here on Cardano, and this is what's going on here. If hold support about around $1. Why $1? Uh, $1 is just natural resistance. All right, it's a psychology thing, and so $1 is always going to be tough support. But when it breaks, it breaks out. But then when it comes back to $1, um, it's going to be great support. Did I say support twice? It's going to be great resistance when something's coming up to $1. Right, it's tough resistance. But when it breaks and later on it comes back into that $1, it's great support. Okay, $1 is just natural resistance. It's just a psychology thing, and every time we hit a number, a whole number, it becomes just naturally a support and a resistance. But here we held the $1. You can see here, as soon as it hit it, it got bought back up. Also, another thing you could see here is that the RSI, all right, was getting very close to the RSI oversold hit back on the April 18th. And so those are areas that you can look to buy using the RSI. RSI is very good to use, so you can know more or less, have an idea where the price action is going to bounce, where the buyers are going to be, and where the sellers are going to be. If you connect this with some area of support or resistance, you almost always nail it. So RSI helps out a lot. MACD helps too, but MACD lags a little bit more. Okay, by the time it crosses, price is already up. But again, MACD traders, there's people that wait until they cross and then they get in. So where are we going with Cardano? I think we're going to hit this trend line of 134, 135, and probably reject that area and come back down. All right, and we're probably going to trade in this channel for a while unless it gets some sort of PR, some sort of catalyst that can move it and break through. We're going to see Cardano kind of trade in this range from 130 to $1, from $1 to 130, back and forth for a while. It's either going to break up or it's going to break down. Right now, we're getting very oversold. You can see it does overextend. It does like to go to 80, 85 on the RSI. So if it does that, it's going to get to probably 135, and then probably traders are going to take some profits and load when it comes back to $1. And that's the name of the game. Now, if you're holding this long term, if you're like, no, I'm gonna hold long term, I want Cardano to go to $2. Well, then all you need to worry about is that you stay above $1, and every time it dips, maybe you want to grab some and put some more in your portfolio, and it has been an uptrend on the daily, so everything looks good. As long as we stay above that $1, it is coming to oversold territory. here on $1. Can it go more down? Yes, the next support area that it could come down to would be around right here. We have some support at, well, it came and touched at 95, so the next one would be somewhere around the 75 um, area. So that's where and let's go ahead and draw a line, as a matter of fact, around 75 area. So if it breaks 99, it could come down to 75, and should find some support there. Maybe bounce back. So hopefully it just doesn't break through and keep going down. We want the momentum to keep going to the upside like it has been doing. Everything has been slowing down a bit here the last few weeks, but I believe we're going to start the momentum to the upside here coming up in the next few weeks as well. Uh, Even penny stocks sold off, but uh, they're going to start moving back up. Let's go to BTC Bitcoin. All right. If you like Bitcoin, um, let's go to the daily here. Now, Bitcoin, you can see here, was on a nice uptrend. Every time it came and tested this uptrend right here, it would just bounce up, except this day. Some news came out, uh, and it just, it broke support, um, and it just went all the way. I think it touched around 50.47 area, um, and you could see it tested the dollar side here. Previously, it hadn't been this low since back in September, so it was due for a pullback. Um, it's healthy sometimes for the stocks to get a pullback, so we can the RSI can take a breather, and it can give me 1 second here. All right. So, um, what's the next move for Bitcoin? I think we're gonna come and test this trend line again on around the 61 area, and then it's probably gonna, you know, come back down and see and come and test, the support around this area. So kind of the same thing Doge is doing. So around this area, this is what I expect to see. We're gonna come and test this trend line in this area right here around the 60 range. It's probably going to reject, and then come back down and maybe start forming a new channel where we can see either higher highs or lower lows. We'll wait and see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1 hourly chart. If we go to the 1 hourly chart, you can see it broke this downtrend here that it started from back here at 65, and it was just every time it hit it, it would just reject there, reject there, reject there, reject there, rejected around this area, rejected around this area. Finally it broke here on the 21st. It broke this trend line, and so the next stop, it's gonna be around that 60,000 range. Now, it could do this too, and stocks do this a lot, and they follow this patterns a lot. It'll come back and test this trend line here, and then it'll go and test this upper trend line. So it's something that you want to keep an eye on closely. And if you're holding BTC, maybe you can take some partial profits there in the 60, 59, 60 61K range. And we're on the 1 hour. We're due for another pullback. That's come. I'm thinking we're gonna pull back to the trend line and then probably bounce back up. That's what I see. Let's see if I can. No, I was trying to draw there, but I'm not too familiar with TradingView. Um, but the 1 hour again, we're a little bit overextended here on the RSI. MACD looks like it wants to cross, so I'm thinking tests 50 again, and then goes back to 55, 60. That's what I'm thinking. So that's it for what I see for Doge, for ADA Cardano and Bitcoin. If you have any questions, if you want me to cover any other cryptos, uh, let me know. Let me know, and I'll cover them. Leave a comment down below. Tell me, hey, what do you think of this stock? I'll try to cover it on the next live stream. What do you think of maybe a penny stock or whatever you want? I'm all open to cryptos and stocks, and just let me know. I'll do some technicals on those. So, guys, don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, so I can continue doing videos like this. Hopefully, if we get some kind of uh, random pump or tweet, I'll go live. I'll tell you what levels you could be expecting to, take some profits. Again, it's all my opinion. You have to have your own plan, but they're just ideas. They're just my views of what I see, and you could take them as a grain of salt and add it to your own due diligence and go from there. So this is just to help you in some sort of shape or form, or if not, entertainment purpose only, if that's all you get from it. But go ahead and like and subscribe so I can keep these videos coming and help everyone out that's struggling with in the stock market or in the crypto market. So till then, guys, I'll see you on the next live stream. You guys take care, and see you guys next time.